Giant killings was the theme at the weekend as Stellenbosch FC, Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates were all eliminated from the Nedbank Cup 2026. Three lower division sides have the opportunity to emulate TS Galaxy's 2019 performance. Can they go on and make history and be crowned the new champions of the Nedbank Cup? Stay tuned to your World of Champions as we unpack all things EO. And now let us know, what are your thoughts following the recent results? How's the readiness of your team? Speaking about teams, of course, Orlando Pirates as well as Amakhosi heading into the Soweto Derby. We will take a look at that. The quarterfinal draw for the Nedbank Cup takes place tomorrow on your World of Champions with the likes of Devon City, Kazrek Stars, AmaZulus, Kukune United, Lamontville Golden Arrows, all in the quarterfinals. Good evening and welcome to SS Fanbase.
I think the most important thing is to understand that in a game like this, that there's no way to recover from it. You cannot put yourself losing 2-0 with the mistakes that we did.
I mean, we were totally dominant with the ball, tactically brilliant. I thought the players, they stuck to what to try to work on. That's all you can ask.
During the week, I make a joke that I won't even withdraw my statement. I said I went to the bush and I come across the lion and I have only one knife. And then for me to survive is to jump to the tree.
Oh, he's first. He has first.
We are down to the last 8 in the Nedbank Cup 2025-26. Good evening and welcome to another exciting edition of SS Fanbase with myself, Lindy Wedube, alongside Estella Cast in studio. Please do engage with us on social media using that hashtag SS Fanbase and be part of the conversations. Kukune United, of course, registered their ticket to the last 8 following a 1-0 victory over UP Tuks out in Pretoria. In his post-match interview, Coach Eric Tinkler wasn't entirely pleased, Musa. Welcome to the show, because he says it was a game of two halves. Yes, they are through to the last 8, however, he wasn't entirely impressed with the performance.
Thank you, Lindy, and the viewers at home. Good evening. Lindy, this is Nedbank Cup. Kiyona. The cup is not clever. Yabona isikhukhune siwinile yes, but sona asuna convincingly. I think Eric Tinkler go top 8. He need to make sure that ukora first half kuzomsiza lokuthi akore first half, because of this so-called city underdogs. Hey, they are on fire. They are on fire and they are there to prove that bona they are there, and then they will compete with the big teams. So we need this Kukune, but it was not convincing. So let's hope the next round, go top 8, they will do better and go back to Tuzani Tuks. Tuks played very well. You know, they played very well. They stood their ground. It's unfortunate for them, but it's unfortunate for them. But what I like with these young boys, they stood their ground and then they show character. They show which, you know, Agla big team gonna bank. Agla big team so hard luck to them. I think they we are Google league, but they go back to league and then they focus good league. But now they go top 16 at 5. You know, there's teams that Pumi they go top from top 32 Jangat. But when I was I fell top 16 and not check a foot in the ama team ama Ninglawa Sitamanda talks. Most of our bank in top 8. Yeah, well, so it shows good this cup so Sizobona way forward with Benzajan. But for Eric Tinkler, for the next quarterfinal, he needs to come up and have a plan B to score very early.
Janice, welcome to the show. I think following what happened last night at the Orlando Amstel Arena, you could see lower division sides that were inspired by Kasrick and hoping to, you know, emulate that performance.
Very true. Let me greet you and our lovely fans and our viewers as well. So definitely, while I was watching this game, Lindy, I felt that Tugu United, they didn't play nice football. It took me back to what I was listening to Siyabonga Nkosi alongside Carol Shabalala last week, stating that Tugu United need so many details. They lack details in all their departments. And it's unlike Eric Tintler, because of in that game, if you can check, there was this striker, this Prince Numalo, the former Ajax Cape Town, he missed chances. Tsapang Makara, I saw those clear-cut chances that they could have scored, and I'll give credit to the Skuku United goalkeeper, Tustan Sabata. He made some brilliant saves. I think 1-0 wasn't the true reflection of the match. Had they been clinical, we should have been speaking a different story to say, Tags have progressed. So, but then for them, at least we must just let go of this Nedbank Cup and focus on their Mozepa Foundation, because of I watched their positioning on the standings. It's not pleasing. Number 11, of which when they had the previous coach before, Kwanelo Kopo, Tisane Mutawu, he was trying to fight for those playoffs off. That's why at some point they will lose during the playoffs. But so certainly now it's just disappointing for them. But then on the other side, Skuku United, they must just make sure that they fix their team, because of you can't go and face Mamelodi Sundowns while the team's playing like that. Next week Sunday, Mamelodi Sundowns will definitely win this game. So it's unlike Eric Tintler, but let's see how they'll pan up in their next match. But then, as you spoke about the teams doing well, checking on Kasrik Stars, they are all intending to cause an upset. And it's also good to see Milford FC, as they've just won 3-0, to say they are top of the standings in the Mozepa Foundation, and they're doing well also in the Nedbank Cup. This is a team that struck with Wahopola Lindi on penalties, where I was displeased with our goalkeeper Bruce Vuma having one side during the penalties. But so far, and I've said, I had an argument even with our fans here on the chat group to say, an average team will win this Nedbank Cup, and they were against me before Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns crashed out. But all in all, the Nedbank Cup this season is a cup of upsets.
Back-to-back defeats for University of Pretoria and an important victory for Sekhukhune United. And in his post-match with Mpoma Boy, he said that they were hoping to avoid what happened with Orlando Pirates and go to extra time and penalties. How important, Skimmy, was that for them to wrap the game up at 90 minutes?
Skimmy, before I go to I was Mr. Makoro, Mera Prokwan. The 7 tournament, the 21 festival, and then 2018 Mutoko Oki team. I was Tango scheme, Rita Moki mini scheme. I was kind of like, no, about been based, why Rata scheme. Scheme, Ogala Tingler, Utile, what that's why Musa Ulijar Nelpenge, they call Nelpen Cup. I want to team in.
Yes.
Utamaila ya Pitori, Anyaja. Sekhukhune is they win one not. But I will lena na go tshwara maybe go bona magala mmile ka ntle motho o ba fomone, but o ka se botse coach ready. But university le nna ke a sola le university se ngolile ya lose chances ula bona bolo ita keeper e pa bolo o a mess university go play le but they must focus on the league. They want to come back the league. They will focus but for Sekhukhune, well done Sekhukhune. It's only team for Polokwane sitting go level. This Nedbank, if it happen, team wanna happen at Nedbank. 4 teams in Durban, 2 teams in Mpumalanga, 1 team Cape Town. If it happen here, no team in Durban will take a cup. But don't what's man,
Okay, we've got Elliot Wasara joining us virtually. Elliot, welcome to the show. I mean, Team A1, no, Yako Polokwane, Kiss Sekhukhune. Congratulations, Elliot. We won the game.
Yes, Lindy, and the viewers in the viewers, all of them, was fan basic about the guys in the studio. Yeah, Sekhukhune United played. I mean, teams are sitting here, the doubt happened a lot. Lindy, but what matters is the win. The couple, just a win. Playing very well, it's our next game. As long as you get the win, you go to the another stage. That is what we want. Well done to the coach. I mean, giving other players a chance, that is good. This is a competition. We give other chance to run. I mean, the goalkeeper, we changed the goalkeeper. Also, Mahala was out on the bench. Also, Probla was on the bench. It's just the tactics in football. You just have to use other players that are not getting game time. Even if you check back him as announced, they also did that. It's just unfortunately they were knocked out. But it's cup games. You just have to rotate players. I suppose Sekhukhune United, they did very well. I don't have a problem with that. It's Cup is Johannesburg. You can't just throw all your players that they're always playing the first team, because you might get some injuries. We are still going to play for the league. The league is a marathon. You can see other teams that are starting to expiring. So things are falling apart. We ask for God, what have we done? Why these two teams are still on the run for that bank? God said, no, I'll answer you. No, the chance is for Sekhukhune United to grab this net bank. We are happy about the team and the coach. Please, Eric Tingler, I believe in you. Make sure you bring this cup home. The teams that are left, it's only Golden Arrows that I can feel strong. I'm just afraid of Golden Arrows, but if we can make sure we knock Golden Arrows out of this cup, we are going to grab this one. After Orlando Pirates traded, then we are over cut off. So we are happy anyway.
Thank you so much, Elliot Asara, and staying with Ezigama Kepula at the Orlando Amstel Arena. It was Kazrick Stars who advanced to the last 8 of the Nedbank Cup for the very first time, following 120 goalless minutes of football. It ended, of course, goalless, and with Kazrick registering the victory in a penalty shootout. Was this a lackluster performance from Orlando Pirates that we've seen the entire season, or did Kazrick Stars in Putimtogo do their homework?
Lindy, endaweni esigameko besikhona and
so
it was a second pain elingenayo lapha ku-Orlando Pirates, but lona club i-Kazrick Stars, I'm thinking they can play yabo bebaplanile ukuthi bayoyenzani lapha, because if ubheka lo mfana owine i-man of the match lo uSiphamandla owamlilo bekacontrola isisu kahle lapha, and even no goalkeeper usavile ama-saves amaninginyana kuleya game leya. So but unlike to Orlando Pirates, Lindy, next time they will go to another cup, but leli selidlulile. It's not the first time baphuma kwi-Nedbank. It's not the first time. 2021 baye baphuma ngeklabhu encane futhi. So well done to Kazrick Stars, and sinamaplayer wethu lapha ku-Kazrick Stars esibaboleke wona bo-Ozewa lapha. So we were there to support them, and they did very well. So we are happy.
Thanks, Lindy. Maybe before I comment on that one, I just want to say happy birthday to one of the person that makes sure that we arrive at Fan Base, Chairman Nelson Ngobeni. Happy birthday. So, Lindy, yesterday when we arrived at Orlando Arena, because we don't have any stadium, it's Arena. So we're happy because we just get the result from the other side that Sundowns lost on the other side. So we think that this cup is ours.
Yeah.
But when we play this cup streak, they come with a surprise. So what we need now, the players, the fans, and the current team, we need to reset, to refocus, and to redirect our energy to the one and the only Betway Premiership, so that we can. This one is on our end, because all the cups now in the Nedbank, we thought Chiefs is out, Southern is out. We are going to take it, but now we have to. All is not lost. We do no need to panic. The players, the current team, and the supporters. So supporters, let's support our team. This team, they give us 2 cups, M108 and Culling Black Label, and also Culling All Stars, the cup. So let's support, let's go behind the team. We're not press the panic button yet. The league is still on our hands, Lindy. We're going to win it, like it or not.
Mina sisilindi ngifuna ukusho ukuthi umnandi ezweni kuphela ama-president phela umetshisi shelo sosaseka.
We've got a post here from Owandile Nceba. It says, no big team in the last 8. Golden Arrows and Sekhukhune in a good position to lift the trophy. is fan base. I mean, you look at Orlando Pirates, the shots on target in 90 minutes, 7, and you look at Icarus Stars, just 2 shots on target. Jabu is joining us via Zoom. Jabu, please just unpack that last 16 clash for us.
Yes. Lindy, greetings to yourselves and my comrades at the studio. Lindy, they don't call it cup of dreams for nothing. Obviously, dreams are made in this particular cup. But before I unpack that, let me say happy birthday to Obabu Nelson Ngobeni. It's our friend. He's always at the stadiums with us. So, Lindy, going back to the game, I don't think Pirates took that team very serious. I don't think proper analysis were made as far as the Icarus Stars was concerned. You look into the penalties that were taken by our players as well. Yeah. You can see that perhaps they didn't anticipate that the match will go to the penalties. That's my observations. But since Lindy, I think when the coach arrived, I've said it that his rotational system is going to catch up with him sometimes, because from where I'm sitting, I see a coach that is deliberately not playing certain players, and I think that is going to be his downfall. Because there are matches where you will see that senior players are needed, and we'll always get the report that players are injured. In fact, when you speak of Orlando Pirates, they won't give any other reason except to say players are injured. But that is going to catch up with the coach if he's not up to his senses, Sislind. We've got a very big game that is coming, the derby. All that is needed in that particular game is for us to get 3 points. But all is not lost, Sislind. I'm saying to the Pirates supporters, let's rally behind the team, let's rally behind the coach. We'll give him the absolute support that he needs. But also, he must make sure that all the players that are fit to play should be on the field of play, because these are tough times, Sislind. You don't have time to have, small squabbles with the players. If players are there, let us have proper personnel on the field of play, because at the end of the day, we need this league. The Nedbank Cup is behind us now, but the bigger fish is a Premier League, and this season we need that Premier League, Sislind. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jabu. We've got I've got a tweet here from Tabo Piri 18. He says, Supersport TV, Amazulu will take this one. Hashtag Hebe Usu to hashtag SS fan base. I mean, you look at Icarus Stars, 4th in the Motsepe Foundation Championship, unbeaten in the last 8 matches in all competitions. What did they do right yesterday to ensure, Frank, bavala all the holes? Ukuthi Pirates ingakwazi ukukora?
Ake sibingelele Sisilindi. Akukho mnandi ke namhlezweni.
Akukho mnandi.
Ziyakhala bathi ziyalila ziyamporoma zikula speak. Kabanga 2 times in a row singapray. Esingayijwayelanga singamabhakaniya. Kuyiqiniso ukuthi ayarosa ama-prime stand inyama yabola. Yawuze kulahleka amalahle ujema amagunlight nomatches uzomosheka, but anyway angikhumbuza amabhakaniya sometimes kufanele siqalaze into enhle ukuze sizosheshe sibe healed. Mabhakaniya ngizweli kahle liyakhuluma ibig keeper la ezweni. Yeah, kule season so far so good sinama trophy awu2. Yeah. So mabanga sigwari beze bekhohlwa abanye ukuthi abana next. And masingaphatheki kabi ngeluze izolo size sikhohle ukuthi sina something, because noma isizini ngaphela manje already sinento esiphethe. Yeah, so udliwa yikho into emnandi ngokudliwa izolo. Yeah, so abafana beKaizer Club ngiyabasalutha ngiyababongela. Yeah, for me just imagine i-team from le ku-ABC izodla i-team enjenge-Pirates and isidlela kuphi e-arena. And angazi noma ingeze mistake mangicheka kahle ngathi benze 1 substitute. Benze ngakhe 3 nyana. Yeah, but anyway into engifuna ukisho badlalile labafana. So yeah, kufanele sikhalile. So into engayisho mabhakaniya ashila amabhakaniya la asupporting ucoach, supporting ama player, so asikwazi ukukhombana. For me angibelieve lokho into engayisho kwiligi sasekhona into engiyithandayo amasotsha amateam amakhulu wonke aphumile njengamanje focus yonke kuphi ukubhethweni nge28 siyakhona nanga ngicela kwami umngani wami ziyokhala zolila ziyobhoroma ngiyobhodlela kuye.
But mabhadi mina umbuzo enginawo ukuthi le defeat against Mamelodi Sundowns phakathi neviki, wasn't it a wake up call heading into le game Naizon?
Good evening, Sis Lindy, to the panelists and to the viewers. I think it should have been a wake-up call, but the problem was that I think the number of days that we were supposed to play were too short. And now Kaizer Stars also, when they came on to the arena, they had prepared themselves properly. And the game of Mamelodi Sundowns was too tough for us because we tried our best to win the game, and we had too many chances that we missed. And I think the chances that Mamelodi Sundowns took were two brilliant goals from Lyon. But on yesterday, come to the game of yesterday, Kaizer Stars did their homework, and they played to the strength of Orlando Pirates by making sure that we don't play in our pockets, and they're making sure that they press us on the full backs. That made us very frustrated. But also, even on the game of Sundowns also, they played a game where they feared Orlando Pirates, but we did not take our chance. Had we taken our chance in the game of Mamelodi Sundowns, we could have won that game. Kaizer Stars game also, if we took our chances, we could have won the game. So I think it's a new disease of Orlando Pirates, which plagues also our neighbors where they don't take their chances. So now, we're not taking our chances. And if we don't take our chances, we're not going to win any game.
Lindy, can I come on kuma comments kaput? I think aqala ukwenzeka lokho. Yabona masibuyela kwiGoogle. Idondolo bayayazi. Yathi abadondo. Khona eOrlando. We understand. Sikhuluma game manje awume. Don't take things personal, baba. We're talking game here. And then I think labafana laba khona lento ebizwa abo coach, I think they bayabheka, but they look at ama previous game njengo like labafana bafunde from Sundowns ukuthi Pirates ivalwa kanjani, because of these boys, the way they played izolo bebewina even nama loose ball wabo, they closed even nomfukeng. I understand. They did their homework labafana laba. You understand? And into engimangazayo ukuthi badliwa kanjani ama supporters ngebhasi eli1. Ngilibonile ibhasi lakhona belipake ngale li1. You understand? But then again, this is football, and that's why it's a cup of dreams, you know. And thina sifumile sicela basiyeke. Ngiyazwa bathi bazopha revenge kithi on weekend. Na imessage engicela ukubanika yona. Thina ngeke basidle weekend. Ask me why. uPeterson una 80% clean sheet rate and 11 clean sheet. Mangaba leyo nto leyo abayazi bangangena kwiGoogle. Come ngeDerby angeke basidle. Never. I bet on that.
Yes, Lindy, good evening, and our viewers at home. Lindy, allow me to answer what you have questioned to say. How did the Celtic team won against Orlando Pirates? Lindy, the so-called small teams, when they play big teams like Orlando Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs and Sundowns, they don't play positional football. They play man-to-man. When you look at how Pirates try to stretch the team, they couldn't be stretched because they knew who Pirates use when they want to win. Your police were introduced in the second half. Why? Because they wanted to divert the minds to say, now police is going to be the one who's going to play it. And he was never introduced. He was introduced only at second half. And they play well. They played so well. And that frustrates Pirates because Pirates, when they don't score, at the first half. That's when they start to panic and they don't do things the same way they normally do. You look at how Coach did. Coach did his best to say, I'm going to introduce more than 5 players were introduced, if I'm not mistaken, yesterday. It's a sign of desperation. It's a sign of confusion amongst the Orlando Pirates to say, but guys, why can't we crack it? And the team that we are playing, we're just playing the no names. Why is it that so hard? And allow me also to highlight one thing. If you want to beat Orlando Pirates, get rid of China, then the rest is it's history. That's where we're gonna get it. China is the last man standing at Orlando Pirates. Should China move from that post, then that's when you're gonna see. My boy was singing yesterday to say, if he Orlando Pirates, I know we definitely gonna.
Just a few weeks ago, we were saying you guys are playing the best football in the league.
No.
Line up there Saturday, Mapagani.
Okay.
Line
Sesilindi, and the line up vele uqinisile. Uya kanjani kuyigame ungenayo back 4, i-back yakhe yaxeka usibise ninini ayithola lonto le. Lokho kusilimaze kakhulu singamabhakaniya. Into engikhala ngawo coach mina, ubuyisa le yanto ayenza mase afika siluza le yathi ugame aqalileke.
Manager. So that's what you manager. Say coach man.
Yeah, akumbiza ngemanager mayenza kahle, mayengenzi kahle ucoach. So uyabona sadliwa kathuka amagame league saqala. Ngobani wayengafuni ukusebenzisa isquad asitholile. So namanje engicela kunama supporters eOrlando Pirates, unyamhlanje asimiyeke bafethu siye kumkhuluma kabi. If player I perform ucoach kumele ayikhiphe, unyamhlanje la ngaze askip. Uyayithola lonto le. Engisho ukuthi kunabo Kabelo Dlamini. uKabelo Dlamini siyamazi ukuthi wenzani. Kunabo Mbatha, kunabo Siphombule. uSiphombule simthenge simazi ukuthi umuntu onjani. But why isamsebenzisi? If yena ucoach ezohamba social media ufike khuluma ama player ethu kabi ewabiza ukuthi akafuna umuntu otekateka ibhola. I-characteristics le team le bedla nayo asiyazi ukuthi idlala kanjani. Abathelevise kakhulu laba bona thina siyathelevise ngamabhakani yabeze besiplanele. Uyayithola into esicela kuyo coach. Esisho ukuthi sicela adlalisela ama-player, kungathiwa ama-player alimele, ama-player angalimele. I-player elimele lapha usihlenduli kuphela, bonke ama-player are-right. Manje samthanda ucoach wethu and asisho ukuthi akahambe. Yena akazama ukusebenzisela ama-player afanele. No, ama-player uyazi akangenzi nge-starting line-up sakhe semarumo galante. Asimarumo galante leyana, yabona. But iba ne-starting level sakwazi ukuthi usebenza ngala. Siyakuyishiya uSaturday. Mina ngokwami angisho ukuthi ngithini. But angiyiboni iligi siyithatha singamabhakaniya manje. Ngenxa ucoach usazoqhubeka ngale ndlela asebenza ngayo. Thank you.
Sibingelele la isitulo sibingelele nasemakhaya. Sisilinde ngizokhuluma ngale game le Castric Stars ne-Orlando Pirates. I-Castric Stars ize iplanile for that game ukuthi indlela abazodlala ngayo bazodlala i-low block. Labafana abadlala low block bebamele iPirates ukuthi ize kubo if you lose amabhola and then bayenza amalokhuzana ba-attack ngama-troopers. So thina siyibhakaniya sistarte kahle, ucoach wethu starte kahle nge-4-3-3 azi ukuthi emasayidini uzo-attacka ngelokhuzana ngama-back 2 yakhe ne-3 yakhe. But ngendaba yokuthi umfukeni bebamplanele ngokumvala nendaba yokuthi bebadlalela more ku-half yabo than ku-half yethu so that sikwazi ukuthi masilahla amabhola basa-attack. And sisilindile ndaba leyo ukuthi ibhola singalibukeli sibheke nje ku-Betway kuphela. That's why abantu abaningi bangazi ama-team ukuthi adlala kanjani. I-Castric Stars lapha kulokhuzana manje kumtsipe league. Some of us ngeke bakutshele nokuthi ku-which position. Castric Stars is far better than ilokhuzana iGomora. iGomora was lower than Castric Stars. And khona bangakwazi nokuthi iCastric Stars the past 2 seasons ibuye kuma-playoffs. So sikhuluma nge-team ukuthi mayidlala iyazimisela in terms of ukudlala. Uyabona? So yeah. So but Silindi thina sibe neviki nje elingekho right ezamabhakanisi as from igame ya Wednesday up to igame ya Saturday. Kodwa besithi kuma supporters ebhakaniya singaphela umoya, mabhakaniya sizobuya.
Yeah. So credits to Coach Baxter Tombeni for a stellar job, you know. the game plan he got right against Orlando Pirates. I mean, keeping a clean sheet against Usipo Chain. Not a lot of keepers can do that, of course. Skimmy. To coach back.
Thank you for that, coach. He come with a plan to go and play Orlando Amstel for 120 minutes. He play. Ramle Uis as a Paganeas. We win some, we lose some. Baberikile Bafana Babanjane, Bafana Bamutsepe. Lindy, as a Paganeas. You can't win all the cups. It's fine. Our captain missed the penalty. All of us, we missed the penalty. The team, when we win, we celebrate together. We live that. We lose together. Lindy, we say, as a Paganeas, we lost. And then we go to Chiefs. Did they ask, did Chiefs play this weekend? They think they play, they win. No, the last case of Chiefs. It's fine. We'll put that down. The game was good. Support was there. It's fine. We'll move on. And then, orally, that's why I said, when you see Mapara, give them hugs. We lose 2 games in a row, but as a Paganas, we'll fight until the end. But what do you talk about? As a Paris fan, but more for another chairman, a lot Paris travel. If you like the team, though, support the team, we lose to Rea Derby, look who Gerarna, Yomutrele, the one only. Anna Mayani, Lindy, Anna Mayani, Kojara Pirates. It's Anna Mayani.
Alright, Moncho Ntwane says on the Pirates game, most of the penalties were taken by defenders. Interesting. Hashtag SS fan base. Umzi Aifani Auga Uti. Hi Lindy, this Nedbank Cup is going to Amazon. Watch this space. Hashtag SS fan base. Stay with your World of Champions. And of course, not just today, but on the weekend as well, because we are bringing you extensive coverage of the Soweto derby between Orlando Pirates as well as Amakosi. Welcome back to SS Fan Base, still chatting all things Iona Cup 2025-2026. Let's go on now to the Solomon Mahlangu Stadium, where the 2019 winners TS Galaxy advanced to the quarterfinals for only the 3rd time following a 2-0 victory over Mamelodi Sundowns. Masandawana, Chilis.
There are no way to be found.
Glenn, where are you?
This Lindy, ngizoba representer.
Okay.
Since Benga ngizoba representer negatively so. Sis Lindy, look, equality, you can have it in your team, ne? But to change the whole team, they need a rhythm. So if the players that are you changing that have been sitting on the stand for the past few games, they don't have that rhythm. They might be quality, as we say, they've got quality, but they are not in the same rhythm as the ones that were playing on Wednesday. I was surprised to see 90% of the players that went to Amstel, went to the big stadium in South Africa and Conca. And I was surprised that they were sitting on the stand. But this is a cup game. They thought to say, if we change the team, we might win it, because I understand they've got a lot in their plate. They had a very high intensive game on Wednesday, and then come weekend, they had to rest some players, but you don't rest the whole team. Because looking at that team, it was only one player that started the game, Santos, if I'm not mistaken. So you don't change the whole team, because you still need that rhythm. You might have those players that say, okay, they will win you a game, but you still need the rhythm. So the thing is, yes, they are class. Yes, but remember when even Coach Roland was still there at Sundowns, the same team.
Yeah.
That team, I think they've got a pin code that needs to give us. They need to give us that pin code.
Yeah.
Say when you go to Mamelodi Sundowns, this is how you beat them. Like Kasrik, they've got the pin code of this other team. Yeah, so no, but yes, I understand you. But as a Chiefs fan, I will ask for that code, because looking at us, we are struggling. When was the last time we beat, as Kaizer Chiefs, we beat Mamelodi Sundowns? It's far back. I can't even remember when Jabulo Blom was still even playing. So they need to give us that code to say, let's crack the code. But now, looking at that game, let's give the credit where it's due. Galaxy played well, they had a plan.
Yeah.
They exploit Mamelodi Sundowns, they won the game fairly. So Lindy, what can we say? Chiefs will win the Betway, that's all.
But so do you think because things are so tight in the Betway Premiership, mhlawumbe Sundowns nayo sebafuna ukufocus on league, hence the changes izolo?
Yeah, Lindy, I think they want to focus on the game because if you look at the game, the Pirate, they press very well. But it don't know, Lindy, it takes Galaxy. If you look at Uzitonga bekayihlupha i-Sundowns. Also nalomfana uMaduna lapha ku-midfield. He was controlling well that midfield banombunjana. So i-TS Galaxy, they came very well ukuthi bawine the game there. So mina Lindy, I was not surprised ukubona i-Sundowns idliwa because of i-TS Galaxy beyiza ngamandla kiyo. So and also not forgetting umfana lo kaMahlambi nayo bekayihlupha i-Sundowns, but all I can say, Sundowns not all lost. They're still going to fight like a Betway. That's all I can say. Nyabonga Lindy.
It's Galaxy, they always trouble in Mamelodi Sundowns. Because
Lindy, recall me you mentioned my brothers, Kamo studio, Lemar Shugarai. Yeah, no, Lindy, our level of Papadilla. Yeah, it was a very good game of football. Yeah, it is like you are rightfully saying. It's always trouble in Mamelodi Sundowns. I mean, the history will speak for itself. But looking at the game itself, you know, I thought Cardozo he undermined it here on this one.
Yeah.
He undermined the team like one of the panelists said here that he changed the whole team, of which is it's a sign of really disrespect. You undermine another team that plays in the same league. But give credit to TS Galaxy. I mean, I think anyone could have been a man of the match in that game. I mean, starting with Tape Era, make brilliant save. You know, you've got Zako Junior. Zakota, they played very well, Mbunjani, in the middle of the park. You know, they represented Mpumalanga very well, and I hope that they will take some of the games to Solomon Mahlangu.
Yeah.
You know, it seems to be there like their fortress. Yeah, they must take their game there. I mean, this is the team of Kwandebele or Nalindi. If you look at its origin, so yeah, let's hope team will take TS to where it belongs at Ndebele. Yeah. But let me touch also on Wednesday, the 18th. Wow. I just wanted to say, Lindy, there's something called spiritual nourishment. Yeah, nourishment. You things that the nutrients, when it comes to football. We saw Santos, Nuno Santos. I'm not praising Mamelodi Sundowns, and I'll never do that. Praise Mamelodi Sundowns, but the players that are playing good football sometimes give credit. Jaden Adams, I mean, they showed us that, guys from Amstel, Lindy, there's nothing special there. Thanks.
Linda, I'm not so. To add, conversation yakho, Linda, I'm not surprised the TS Galaxy ishaya Sundowns. Nami yakhe ngiyangishaya ngiyi-big brand kanje yakhe yangishaya kwi-final 2020 yangishaya, so I'm not surprised. And mina kule game le ngiblame manje coach ukuthi why do you keep the players like Brian Leon benching, whereby he was not even supposed to change the lineup winner against the Pirates. Bekumele nje ubuyisele le lineup anga-undermine, then ke bekazowina. But then in football nabo ama-team amakhulu ayadliwa, ngihlala ngisho ngithi abo PSG, Arsenal bayadliwa, Man City, nami njengoba ngisho ukuthi Tears Galaxy yakhe yangishaya, so ithumela isenda istatement namanje ukuthi hey, watch out, nandi ama-team amancane labo Milford labo njengoba bewinile today, i-Tears Galaxy ingakhosta inkinga.
Sislindi, understanding I think the plan is Sundowns to focus one to the league, two focus away to CAF Champions League. So you can't focus ukawonke. Sometimes you need to choose which I 2 or 3, which one that I must focus on. Go understand, I think Sundowns change our scheme, be very sure with no mas loser, no mas win. Our main focus now is between Premiership and CAF Champions League so that they can achieve one of the two. That's their focus, local.
Ngicela ukumphekisa Sesilinda ayikho into enjalo. Ngeke. Ayikho into enjalo ukuthi bangathi bona bafocus kwi-Champions League ne-League Nedbank cha. Bebayifuna just ukuthi nje la kuwa Nedbank anything yenzeka. So into engingayisho for iTS Galaxy. Ngithanda nje uchairman wayo. Ngicabanga kuleya team kunento healthy. Angaze ngibone uchairman oclose kangaka nama player. Oclose kangaka ephinde uhlala even nama supporters. Yeah, for me ngibuya kwaZulu ngiyafisa ukuthi amaZulu aye final. Ngifisa aye nayo le team there just for uchairman wabo.
Yeah.
Team Suarez. I love him very much.
Thank you, Frankie. Yeah, there's 3 KZN sides in that last 8 of the Nedbank Cup. The Montville Golden Arrows, AmaZulu, as well as Durban City. Who's going to make it all the way to that final? Speaking of Abafana Bestende, they registered a 1-0 win over Stellenbosch to advance, of course, to the quarterfinals of this year's Nedbank Cup. Let's talk about that particular clash where Stellies denied a penalty there.
Good evening, Lindy, and good evening to the viewers at home. If you can check that game of Stellenbosch and AmaZulu. Stellenbosch, they are still under pressure after beating Chiefs. I think they are overconfident, but now because of the things are not going well as well on the curve. But let's give credit to Golden Arrows because Umangoba, he's making a very good job because I saw the last game when they were playing for the Nedbank as well. You can see Uchi, he's really want to win something for Golden Arrows. So this season is going to be very tough, especially on this Nedbank. That's why they're saying it's David versus Goliath. We don't know where it's going now. It's up for grabs. So, but for me, I think Golden Arrows, they are the contenders as well.
Just to add from what he's saying in the speaking about Mangoba Mngiti, he mentioned something interesting to say. He's eyeing for that Nedbank Cup for him to go and play in the Confederations Cup. And then you get into that game, yes, they were denied a penalty at Stellenbosch, of which you could see Gavin Hunt was so speechless.
Yes.
Very speechless. Just couldn't answer questions from one of the journalists, the Mark Masalam Flowers, watching him. And also, let's give credit to him and Mangoba Mngiti also being honest to say they were denied a penalty as well. So I think for him it's a sweet revenge because remember we had how can I put this one? Avalanche of goals when Stellies won 4-3 against the same Golden Arrows. So at Phil Stadium, so which is good for him. So then for Stellenbosch, it's back to action because of we are playing them on Tuesday. It's also a crash game for us because of they've beaten us twice. Go Canning Knockout Cup as well as the Nedbank Cup. And especially at the start, last 16 Canning Knockout, the last 32 Nedbank Cup. So we need to be wary of their Devon Titans because of this is a player who did the damage towards us. But then on the other side, they will be missing Thabo Maluisane because of he was red carded for that game. To say we need to capitalize. You might come up Kamusali Busali and Restani to say keep an eye on Flavio Silva and also the likes of Mfundo Villegas. But to our technical team, they need to make sure that we win that game so that we get that confidence going into the weekend. As you spoke about the TS Galaxy area, you said they've got an interesting record against Sundowns. They also beat Sundowns during the Kalong Knockout Cup, so which it reminded me of that. But then so far, very impressive.
I'm glad you touched on Thabo because even against Ovitz in the Betway Premiership, he was sent off. How much are they going to miss him in midweek?
I've been there, Sislindi. Mina ngiyangibami i-Arrows abafana bathumula ngophuthi uma ngoba ngithi muzokhumbula kahle uke washo wathi sazoba khona inguquko manje isijaha izinto number 1 sasengambona number 3 but mina ngokwami ngiyababona bafana besithende bahamba bathi bafika ku final nange-performance abaqale ngayo le season inhle kakhulu manqoba mnqiti lento ayifika le-top arrows siyayibona lento ayiphekayo siyayibona lento yenziwa uManqoba. Asibonge Lindy. Lindy, also I just want to see Golden Arrows to go to the final because at the moment Manqoba is playing good football.
Hey, we're getting a lot of votes for Golden Arrows Amazulu. You guys are writing off Castry, Clebo Milford.
So yeah, Castry they beat us yesterday, but the good football that we're seeing is between Amazulu and Golden Arrows.
Yeah.
So we wish to see these Durban teams going to the finals, and I hope maybe they will come to Arena to play the final. They are playing a good final. Yeah.
So I'm happy Sislindi Mozwa abantu ababuya ku Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Thokoza nalilunda lami kahle home. Ejabulela ukuthi ama team aseNatal sengathi ngawe ibathatha le cup le. Na ifinal ngithi phakathi kweArrows namaZulu. Esayidini lami mina ngihamba neArrows. Abafana bapheka uphuthu. Into engiyithanda ngeArrows ibhola labo limnandi and uManqoba ngithi une experience okunozwane. Yibo abantu bame ngibabe ukuthi bakuyi final eNatal labo. Sifuna ukuyibona ifinal iseMoses Mabhida. Thank you.
Lindy, khona i-team abangayinaki nayo ku-top 8 manje. Jackson Spears.
Yes.
Ahlabe Mkhonto. Vodacom le team. Jackson Spears ibuya ku Mlontuzana ku Vodacom. And they are coach lapha intona yami uMavula. Hey, that coach is very good. Le team leyo, believe me or not, kuyaya ku top 4. They are playing ababazi bakhwayete manje from top 32 to top 8. And then uzobona saku final khani bazowathi bayabanaka and bayanyanyoba kancane yabo and then the game le Arrows ne Stadies abasibambe ngomlenze Stadies lapha hey ball there
if
right like 99 kanje but anyway so thini revision is final. So hey unfortunately bona nabo baphumile they have to focus pheka le penalty it's also a clear penalty so asazi ke referee judge that's all but I'm saying Lindy ukuthi that team there ubuya ku Vodacom and abafana abanye bayadlala that was a clear penalty clear thank you
Lindy I still say if wishes were horses then we will definitely speak as we speak here. These teams that have qualified for this quarterfinal, it's not a fluke. Let us not undermine these teams that have worked so hard, especially to defeat the household like Orlando Pirates, the Kaizer Chiefs, and the Sundowns. Now, if you undermine them, you undermine them at your own peril. I am saying, let us look at these teams. Let us look at the seriousness of these teams for them to can qualify for something and for them to can achieve something in this cup. Remember, these teams that we are speaking of are teams that are not having all the sponsors that the other teams have. And for them to can qualify to the finals, definitely it will be a cherry on top.
A quick comment, yes, before we go to break, still on.
Go to the break.
Yes.
Just
a quick one.
Guys, out the break. Also, Lindy. Kaspedi bare wabona mudimu na lamata. Watu omosa bapla bakwati na wabona muchawula no mogolo too much. But ki football Lindy Manqoba lena ke maliskibi. Lena ke mal Manqoba. Manqoba is a good coach. I want Manqoba. I latsola go video. O kopola Manqoba ula una minute empty jaga. I win a 5 something. Idea Ajax. I wish Manqoba le bafana baye ba win otore Arrows le induska le ba Arrows ngwana arena e winne esepagania se we are happy and we are cruising nicely and Arrows ya final don't worry orea Durban ya Roosters Stadium esepagania supporter ngwana arena.
All right, stay tuned to your World of Champions as we continue chatting.
Well, it's like a motivating.
Bring back the skin we love, the Vulavala. Show me your number. Pirates are in the lead. Skosana's fourth goal. Time to separate boys from men. mawutujika left uhlangana ne-black and gold, mawutujika right uhlangana ne-black and white. Iitrata zasekasi ziyaphithiza zigcwele. Senyuhira baba, my new blood baba, urile buyile umfukeni.
History doesn't know. It's upon us and it starts here.
Staying with us, we had a KZN derby in the last 16, Richards Bay and Amazulu. It was Amazulu who progressed to the last 8 of the Nedbank Cup. Ukateni is joining us on the line before Siza Wise Man in studio. Kateni Ubambile on the line. Welcome to the show. Ubonanja Numdlalo and uzizwa kanjani manje njengoba siku top 8. Yenetbank.
Ngiyabekela emakhaya. Ngibingelele studio ngibingelele ababukeli emakhaya. No sijabule kakhulu Sibusuthu. Sijabule kakhulu Sibusuthu. Ozwane lapha neThimba bayapheka kakhulu Ozwane uDlada lapha yana oVilakazi bayapheka sijabule kakhulu Sibusuthu. No ngiyathemba umdlalo ngomuhle kakhulu. Abantu base KZN baphume ngomningi. Bayigcwalisa i-stadium lesa i-Mtathu the sport complex kagcwala. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ithi kuba nento kumasipala semhlathi ukuthi ukwakhela abantu base-Cross i-stadium lapha bayakwazi manje babuke ibhola esezingeni le-PSL. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi Mabheshane khona. Sikusukela 8 manje. Siyathemba ukuthi abafana bazoqhubeka ngale performance bazimisele kakhulu sikwazi kancane ophambi kwethu sidile nayo mhlawumbe sozibona sesifinele sesiqubula icup nathi akasazi but umsebenzi muhle kakhulu kwabafana siyawubona sibhekile nodwa sibona umsebenzi wabaphathi ocoach siyawubona muhle ngoba i-Richards Bay ike yasithwalisa kanzima kakhulu umdlalo esudlale this season yasiyashaya ngo-25 this time around sithemasiya lapha salitshela ukuthi no ngeke sibuke i-Richards Bay dlala ibhola yithile soyidlalisa ibhola ifuneka iphendule ama-answers wethu so lapha siwinile ya game sijabule kakhulu and ngijabule kakhulu namanye amathimu aseKZN ayingenile lapha ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi abalandeli bebhola futhi baseKZN baye bahlangana baba united baye estadium bayosupporta iDerby yaseKZN sakugcwala istadium. Ngiyabonga kubantu abanjengozulu Orlando Pirates wesigubhu bafike laphana basapota ilento abafana base-KZN basapota amaklabhu ase-KZN. Sibonga kakhulu Lindi ngolesibili sidlala Mamelodi Sundowns bengise-Eastern Cape kwi-Ravens esinenhlani ngahlangana noSibuko laphayana wathi uzoza nethimba lakhe naye bazosapota i-Sundowns but i-Sundowns zoyiplanela ngicathi sokwazi ukuphilelana ngoba asifuni ithathe ama-point awu-3 la ekhaya. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Lindi, ngiyabonga abantu baseKZN abaphume kuyo yonke indlela yaseKZN bagcwala i-stadium ngijabule kakhulu.
Bonga thina Kateni Amazulu. Up next for them is Mamelodi Sundowns. Wise Man, a quick one.
Hey, Sis Lindy, sidlale kahle against Richards Bay. Noma ureferee uThando Nzanzeka usincisha ama-penalty ayi-2 first half. Bekumele i-first half ngabe siqedile leya game we get 2 penalties that were support but ngasiwinile ngo-3-0 in that game but referee is part of the game. What Vuyo referee's finalist decision. So Sislindi for now let's hope ukuthi abafana bazoyilifta this cup. Icup bafethi lahlile idinga thina as a technical team and our fans to support our team sibuye ne-cup is experience and Vuyo. So Sislindi okwamanje let's hope ukuthi the cup in Nedbank vele konke ku green. Nedbank is green nathi sihlaza asifune le cup yakho blue. I wish nje uSuthu this season lusibonge nje ngale cup sikwazi ukuqualify nathi ke sodlala eAfrica for the second time.
All right, let's confirm the teams that are through to the Nedbank Cup quarterfinals. TS Galaxy, Kasvik Stars following that penalty shootout victory over Orlando Pirates, Lamontville Golden Arrows, Usuthu, led by Umangete. Durban City are also making an appearance in the last 8. Kukune United, Jessica Spears, as well as Milford. And what you can look forward to on your World of Champions in midweek, Usuthu will play host to Mamelodi Sundowns. You also have another exciting clash between Kaizer Chiefs as well as Stellenbosch. Both matches live and in the splendor of high definition. Of course, the big one on Saturday, the Soweto Derby, Esgamagebula up against Abafana Boktula Nokolo. All right, what's your fan moment of the week? Fan moment.